Alright, so it's January 25th, and here in Virginia we have a late winter turkey season that's going on right now. Matter of fact, it ends here in a couple days. But anyway, I've been roaming the mountains. It's been raining all day, and rain is a great time to hunt winter turkeys. You really can't call to them too much unless you bust up a gang. So what I like to do is when the conditions are good, like wet leaves, I like to sneak. And I had some trail camera pictures of some nice gobblers in this area. So that's why I've been out here hunting. And I'm gonna just keep sneaking along and checking things out and maybe get lucky and see one. Today I'm hunting with a rifle. It's a .22 Hornet. Normally I would hunt turkeys with a shotgun, but in these conditions where I'm shooting in open woods, longer ranges, I like this gun for that. Let's get back at it. Oh yeah, nice, pretty gobbler.